Hey everybody, this is Kwa. Today I'm going to help you, or I'm going to show you how to add text to a picture using a free photo editing software, which is called Photoscape. I've been playing around with this for a little while now, and I've been using it to add text to pictures, and it actually works really well. I am a Photoshop user. I've been using Photoshop for a couple of years now, and so I'm pretty good at it. But I know that for some people, the price of admission for Photoshop can be pretty steep. I mean, if you want to get a standalone program, it's $700, or if you want to do a subscription program, then it's $20 a month. So, for the purposes of what we are doing, which is just really simply adding text to pictures for, like, for instance, a Pinterest post or for a blog header or a blog image, you don't really need Photoshop for that. This program works perfectly fine. You can download it. Go to photoscape.com, I believe, or just Google it, and then it's a free download. I don't know how this program actually makes money. It's fairly good. It has a lot. Its features are very robust. There's a lot of stuff in it that I was very surprised that it had for a free program. But anyway, I've already installed the program, and I'm ready to get going to show you how to add text to pictures. So you just open the program, and then you see that the user interface is a little funky, at least funky for me because I'm not used to it. But you just click on, there's a bunch of different functions you can use. Actually, I see here it has an animated, GIF function. I have to go back and play with that. So you go and click on the very top one, and this is the editor. Okay, and on the left screen, or the left column, top column, is where you select your folders where you are stored your images. Okay, I've already done that already, and so down here I'm just going to select this image here to edit or to add text to. Okay, cute little foxes, always attention getter. Cuteness is always a good thing, right? Okay, so to add an image, you go down to this tab right here where it says Object. All right, so you just click on that, and then you go to the button. And it has a T on it. The T is for text, of course, and if you hover it, it will say text input, outlines, and shadow effects words. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and you'll see here that it's already filled in some text for me because it saves the last settings I use, the last text settings I use, and it's actually pretty convenient because if you want to add text to a whole bunch of images at the same time, for instance, you want to do a watermark, then or a copyright thing, then you can just reuse the same text over and over again. So the cool thing that I like about this program is that it uses the fonts that are installed on your PC or your Mac. All right, so if you have a lot of fonts, then you can go to town with this. I'm using the Rockwell Extra Bold because I'm just trying to be simple here, and I just want to have a really bold text effect. And then you can change the size, of course, and then you can change the color. Have it yellow, bright yellow. Maybe that doesn't look too good. Maybe a less bright yellow. Beige. That doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it's not so stark. And then here's the thing that I like is that it's really simple to change the opacity or the translucency of the image. Just go to the opacity, and then you just slide the image, slide the slider, and it will become almost invisible. Or you can just go to 100%, and that would be 100% opaque. And then you can add outlines to the text. In Photoshop, we call that stroking, but it just for most people, they know it as outlining. Okay, you can change the outline, the color. I mean, I have it at a plum color right now, but you can change it to different colors like blue, or plum. And then you can also change the thickness of the outline. Okay, so I have it set at 7. You can, move it to 5 or whatever, but usually a small outline is good enough because I like to be able to pick out the text in the outline. And then you can also have a shadow effect. Okay, the shadow effect will make it appear as if the image is 3D. I'm not going to use it for this for here. And you can also position it. You can top. I'm going to have it at center. All right, and then so that's you can also bold it. So basically, pretty much all text functions that you're familiar with, you can employ here. And so, and you just click OK, and there you have it. You have a text added to an image. Hey guys, I'm back. So anyway, so that's basically how it's done. So you got your text, and it's got some cool effects to it, and all you have to do is save it, and click Save on the lower right corner, and away you go. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. This is perfect for Pinterest pins or for blog posts. I'm probably going to put this on one of my blog posts. So my name is Kwa. I'm here to help you break through.